we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Day1 and Elias, and if you guys are new here, we do, what is it, vlogs, adventures and travel vlogs,
Daily vlogs.
And cleaning and decorating sometimes in a while.
We do everything here. We do
everything. It's a family vlog. So
today is our little adventure. We're gonna head over to Chino Hills. We're excited because we're bringing Sushi with us. Hey Sushi, say hi. Papas. Good boy. So we're gonna take him with us. Yeah, so it's gonna be a little daily vlog heading over to Chino Hills. We're gonna show you guys, basically we're just gonna show you guys what Chino is all about. It's our first time there, so we don't know much of the area. We're just gonna hang out with a few friends and just a daily update on our lives.
we're just gonna show you around what's there to do, since it's our first time to being there. So if you guys want to keep seeing what there's to do in Chino Hills, just keep watching this video and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, you guys.
Yeah, don't forget. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. No, thank you. No, it's okay like that.
So before we head over to Chino, we made a quick stop. As you can tell, we got our Starbucks. I got a chai latte, and what do you got?
I got the honey oat milk latte.
But we'll just watch these clips forward about just driving over there. We're here. We are still in an hour and 19 minutes. This is a road trip of 2 hours. It's past LA, I think it is. But the views that we're seeing with the clouds is beautiful after rain. So no joke, you guys have to come and see it yourselves. And he ate sushi. He was thirsty, so I was giving him water. So right now he's resting.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
I recommend that you guys stay caffeinated.
It's not really that bad. Because we were now in the fast lanes, but now we're in the regular. It's so pretty. I don't know what this over there says. Pinery, no sé. Bonito. Muy bonito. Clima it's not really that cold. It's like in between. Right now, we're in the car. We don't even have the AC on, but you can tell it's not really that hot and cold. But see you guys in a few. ¿Qué pasó? What happened? It's not raining out of nowhere. I don't know where we're at. All I know is that we are passing. I have no idea. Tengo ni idea, but it started raining. We were just passing escondido. The clouds, as you can tell in the previous clips, it was like the clouds were all dark. Here we are. You see the car in the front of us, the Mercedes? That's my future car. And that one. Well, just be careful. I don't know if you can see
couple little bumps on the road, but we're almost
We're
there.
almost there. Llegamos al hotel que se llama La Quinta. Can't pronounce that name.
It's La Quinta in
But it's here
And Suites.
in ¿cómo se llama? Chino Hills. And this hotel is pet friendly. The reason why we chose this one for sushi. Pero llegamos. Ahorita les enseño like a little tour del room donde nos vamos a quedar. Check-in is at 3. We got here at 2:30, so we still have time. Aquí traemos todo, guys. What level are we in? Just be careful. Casi se agarra el dedo con esta cosa. Okay. Okay. Because it's heavy, I can't carry heavy things. Okay. Aquí andamos, aquí andamos. So we arrived to the room. We showed it before. Elias showed it, he's right here, but he didn't record it. But here it is. It's a king bed, but I'm gonna show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Aquí estamos los dos. Hi guys. So basic. We already put our stuff. So this is our towels,
Show them that.
paintings, and that's the bathtub. And then put my stuff already there.
Oh, they have things in here. What is this?
Hair dryer. There's a hair dryer. Okay.
That's cool.
And then
They have toilet paper.
yeah. Well, obviously they gotta give you toilet paper. And then over here, your booty.
Sorry.
And then right here they have a little station for coffee. I didn't know it came with a microwave and a, what is this called?
The fridge.
A fridge. I completely forgot fridge. You already put sushi's food in there. And then this mirror to see your whole outfits when you're heading out the door. And then on this side, there's a closet. We have stuff in there. And then basic stuff, a TV. This is a dresser. And then this is our nightstands, and the color in the wall is purple. Not my favorite color, but it looks nice. And the bed, it's already sanitized. We already sanitized it. Already checked for bed bites or bed bug bites, something like that. And then over here is gonna sleep on this side. Right here are some pictures, and then there's a little sitting area on this side. We put Sushi's cage here. The reason why we brought it is just for the nighttime, when it comes to the nighttime. And then table, and on this side, it's like a desk area where you can do whatever. I'm sitting right here. And then the view that we have, there's a view. There is a pool down there. Dirty mirrors. And then, let's see, straight out. It's obviously the window doesn't open completely, but that's outside.
Sushi's gone.
Have a jacuzzi in the pool, which obviously we're not going to be using it because it's kind of cold outside. Just a few days. We're just staying here for how many days?
2 days.
2 days. The hotel right here is called La Quinta. Quinta, right?
Yeah, La Quinta.
It is a dog-friendly place. It's right very close to the freeway. When we came off the freeway exit, it's called Avens, very close to LA. So there was a bunch of traffic when we get here. And then I love that they have different outlets. So outlets over there, outlets on the walls, outlets over here, and this little guy too. So yeah, see you guys later on as well, you guys. Es Elias. Usted no habla mucho, pero aquí andamos. We're gonna head out soon to eat.
As Daisy was mentioning, there's so many outlets here, and then I've never seen an outlet in my life.
In a microwave.
In a microwave. I want this microwave. Let me show you guys. They don't just have an outlet. They also have a USB drive.
I'm not gonna lie to you. We just got here and our first stop is gonna be Target.
No, give them a top, then
we come into Target porque se nos olvidó unas cosas like to shower and stuff, you know, because we don't like using the shampoo that the hotel provides for you guys. Pero we might even stop at PetSmart. And we're waiting to eat later on. Acá there's thunder, there's like truenos. Escucho ahorita. Si nos alcanza a escuchar, les enseño. ¿Qué es Big Five? No, Big, no sé qué dice Big Out. I don't know what that. Aquí son Pets Hotel. It's like a spa. It's at PetSmart. We're going to PetSmart first?
I don't know.
Porque el Target está allá. Okay. No te llevan, ¿no? Okay. Aquí. Sí, pero ¿para qué queremos? ¿Esas parejas? Las únicas que miro. Son las Birdies. No sé si alga en la Target. Yeah, they even have the Birdies brushes. Esas son para nada más bañarlo con toallita. Con toallitas. Pues en la casa tenemos the shampoo, nose and paw balm, and then they have the cleansing air wash.
They have apple and rosemary, but we got the one that's
the oatmeal.
Oatmeal. No,
it's cheaper here. We got it for 14. What? Okay, so we come in the Target, guys. Then vamos a agarramos the little towels of Birdies. Apesta, no tan pesta, pero we still love it. We still love it.
Yeah.
Okay. Target.
I love the weather, by the way, over here.
Oh, sí, ahorita se escuchaba trueno. Nada más que cada vez que se escuchan. Yo sí vengo aquí en la tarde y me quedo aquí por like this can. No, aquí yo me quedo. I feel like they have more stuff in this side. The candles. I like these, babe. Oh, venimos a agarrar water. Porque tienen like a lot. We don't need a lot. I don't like Arrowhead. They have these. Yo les quiero enseñar con el truene. Pero
just keep it recording right there towards the dark area.
I always turn off the camera once. You guys saw that?
What just happened?
Yeah. I might be tripping or something, but I think I saw it.
Oh, that's where we're staying. Dang, that's where basically it's all dark.
Yep. We're staying over there in that building. That one right there. And whoa. So hopefully it starts raining later on when we go to dinner. We got a little pizza just for satisfied. Tell me, oh, you saw that?
Yeah, it's little. Alright guys, so we just got back from Target and they had a Pizza Hut inside. And I thought it was cute because they're like little mini pizzas. We're just gonna eat this for the meanwhile until we go eat something big.
We got water, cookies obviously for later on, and then some chips. And then in the fridge,
Oh, excuse me, Sushi.
we have regular milk and then coffee for Elias. It's right here. And then we got some bathroom stuff, which is over here. Toothbrushes, which we forgot.
Show them.
Two of them, the travel ones. Some loofahs, gel for Elias, shampoo for me, just in case if I shower my hair. There's this brand. And then, what's it called? Soap for your hands.
Hand wash soap.
And I think that's it. Oh, and Sushi's little things that we showed you guys before.
And oh yeah, Sushi's wipes because he stinks a little bit. We don't feel comfortable showering him here. So we got this one, the Burst Bees wipes. They're pretty cool. All right, so we'll let you guys go. We're about to eat. Till next time.
All right, you guys. So we are heading to eat dinner, and I'm behind the camera. I brought my phone because I didn't want to bring my big camera to it. And we're gonna go eat dinner with one of Elias' friends. The place is called what?
Flamingo Palm Cuban Cafe and Cigar Lounge. It's right off on 4th by South Rancho Cucamonga. Never eaten the food there, so it's the first time.
So we let you guys know what do we think about the food, and you know, we're gonna give you a true honesty review for it if you're gonna recommend it or not. So
we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, let's keep you updated, you guys. Agarramos empanadas. One is chicken, the other one is beef. We are gonna try it, and we're gonna let you guys know if we do recommend it.
Se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás por el lado mío. Y yo lo testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3. Sin estrés. Los pasos te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Claro, sin estrés. Pásame esos pasos te cuento hasta 10 y ven.
I'm recording with my phone, you guys. I didn't want to have my camera, as I mentioned before. It was super good, the food that we ate. And totally recommend that place if you guys are around the area. You know, we're going to Heaven Food.
Yo a ti te vi, mami, bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermosa y con libres me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin efectos, mami,
Gelato shit? Good. Too cold for that, no?
Para esa reina necesito un trono. Mami, yo te entono. Con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor. Esos placeres que brinda la vida.
Boba.
Hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo.
Hello,
hey guys, we just got back to the room and we just wanted to end this video. We're still gonna be recording for tomorrow, but we just gonna make this video for Friday only. So hope you guys have enjoyed it. We did enjoy that one place that we went to eat Cuban food.
Yeah, it was called Flamingo Cafe Shop.
Totally recommend it. So if you guys are here in the area in Chino Hills, you should come to that place. So you guys,
I highly recommend it's called Pollo
Asado.
Pollo Asado. It was
really good.
Really good.
You guys gonna be seeing some clips with the phone that we went in the second place that we went to get some coffee and stuff. So
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
And don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And and leave your comments below of anything you guys want to ask us about this video or anything else. So we will see you guys until tomorrow.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.